Yo, as much as the Jamaican police have them flaws, the JCF are one of the best in the world when they come on to combat. Nobody now go tell me nothing. Nobody nobody try argue with me about that. Me have 2 pieces of clip for roll and show no my point, brother. So them say Jamaican a third world, brother, and German a first world. So them say, so you would have expected them would have better in a combat, right? No, sir. Wait till you see them 2 clip here. Both parties have them strong point. Both the first world and the third world as to what them call we. Me live in Europe, so I have to represent both countries. So at them 2 countries there, me have put together right now Germany, Jamaica. Both of them could have learned something from each other, because when you come on to justice, me more trust the German side. When you come on to combat for defense, Jamaica the winner. You get me? I say, now we are gonna roll them 2 clips and you tell me in the comments. You tell me in the comments which team stronger to Uno. Now we are gonna roll the German team first. So, I'm going to some information. This man is basically an Islamist, kind of like a terrorist, and the dog walk through the town with a rifle. I'm going to just keep quiet and I'm going to watch the clip. So here we are going now. Roll the clip. Watch it.
Der Anschlag von München. Augenzeugenvideos dokumentieren den dramatischen Polizeieinsatz. Es ist kurz nach 9 am Donnerstag. Ein Mann mit Gewehr läuft durch die Münchner Innenstadt, nahe des NS-Doku-Zentrums und des israelischen Generalkonsulats. Nach Bildinformationen ist das Emra I., Österreicher, 18 Jahre alt. Zuvor hat er das Feuer auf einen Standposten der Polizei eröffnet. Augenzeugenvideos, die Bild zugespielt wurden, zeigen die gefährlichen Minuten danach. Immer mehr Polizeikräfte rücken an. Dann fällt ein Schuss. Wenige Sekunden danach der Schusswechsel zwischen Polizei und Angreifer, gefilmt von Augenzeugen aus 2 Perspektiven. Nach Bildinformationen treffen die Beamten den Angreifer mehrfach im Oberkörper. Er geht zu Boden. Um 10:31 Uhr, etwas mehr als eine Stunde später, stellt ein Notarzt seinen Tod fest. Wenig später ist klar, der Angreifer war den Behörden als...
Yes, sir, he was unalive. It catch him in an upper body, so at the end of the day, yeah man, 3 points gone. So, make a look on the Jamaican police them now. You can see the big difference. Now, that a whole heap of police against one single man. And this is just a few police against one district. Renita Adams and him crew against the whole of Tivoli Garden. Was one of the most violent districts in Jamaica. Remember, you know, that was whole heap of police against one man, and it take them all long to put him down. And this is Renita against one district. Think about that. Make a roll Adams now.
I saw men from Tivoli go to the police vehicle parked before the Tivoli court and throw a bomb inside. The vehicle exploded and caught fire. I am aware that about 8 gunmen have been shot. Some have been killed, but what I've been observing, people have been taking them up along with their guns in handcarts and going towards Tivoli.
Superintendent Adams says he was pinned down and unable to move. Mr. Siaga says this was not so, as he even offered Superintendent Adams safe passage out of the area.
I told him that I would flatly reject that offer because I could not have left the government vehicle nor my men behind me. And I think it was a ploy to lead us into more danger, because every moment he was with us, they started firing and he himself had to leave.
Several rockets were launched at the Coronation Market Command Post. Dynamite was also thrown at the post.
Dynamite.
Shots were fired at the Joint Police Military Team from M16s, AK-47s, Mini-14s and 9mm pistols. The police in turn responded with their artillery, including a Barrett M82. Dynamite was also thrown into the Denham Town Police Station, which was under siege from men firing from the Maypen Cemetery and from Denham Town. Members of the Joint Police Military Force are pinned down at the Coronation Street Command Post, including members of the media. The death toll from this morning's sustained gunfire includes members of the security forces.
There you have it. When it comes to combat, like the police are protect you against I set a man, rather the Jamaica police protect me. Because them man, they don't play. You understand? So both parties could have learned something from each other. You understand? The Jamaican could have taken some of the law angling from German, and the German could have get some of the combat from Jamaicans. You get what I deal with? But bro, the German clip was like, today what? Today the 10th of September. The German clip was like 2 days ago. And this was like from 2001 or something like that. So it's a long time frame, but the Jamaican police system is still the same. You get what I deal with? So all the people all say the comparison unfair, but I saw it go. Again, I have to give Caesar what is due to him. The Jamaica police, them is not the best in every field, but when you come on to combat, yeah man, best believe them good at that. You understand? Out.